A lot of people think Canva is just for making designs, but Canva is the tool I use to earn money in different ways. When I started using Canva, I just wanted to design better. I did not know I could make money from it. But over time, Canva became a tool I now earn from in different ways. Let me show you 5 ways I currently make money with Canva. The first way is one-on-one coaching. People reach out because they want to learn Canva properly. Some are beginners, some want to create content faster. I sit with them, guide them, and teach them how to use Canva. They pay for my time and my knowledge. If you want to join my one-on-one coaching, use the link in the description of this video to sign up. The second way is designing for clients. Before teaching Canva, I used it to design for others. Thumbnails, social media posts, presentations. Clients tell me their ideas, and I bring it to life using Canva. This was one of the first ways Canva helped me earn. The third way is YouTube. I started sharing what I was learning about Canva. Simple tutorials, no fancy setup. Over time, 3 years actually, to be specific, those videos started bringing income and opportunities. Teaching what I know became another stream of income. The fourth way is selling Canva templates. This changed how I thought about time and money. I design a template once. People buy and reuse it again and again. Canva made it easy to turn my designs into digital products. The fifth way is the Canva affiliate program. Since I already teach Canva, I recommend it. When someone signs up through my link, I earn a commission. It fits naturally into what I already do. If you are new to Canva, kindly support the channel by using the link in the description to sign up. You get a 30-day free trial to try out Canva Pro features. These are 5 ways I currently make money with Canva. You do not need to do all of them at once. Start with one that fits your skills and grow from there. Let me know if you have any questions. Do have a good one.